Do you want to be top 1% of all the real estate agents? In today's video, we are going to discuss how to transition from a commission agent into a business owner. Hello friends, my name is Mandeep Dhesi and let's start with what's the problem of a traditional real estate agent. They are in the rat race. New buyer, new seller, all the weekends are booked. They have no time for vacation. They are running deal after deal. Then what is the solution for that? You need multiple hands. You need to be part of a real estate team. Okay, you saw this video, you listened to us, but what is the criteria to join that team? So there are three most important things you need to consider while joining any real estate team. Number one, is the team helping you with the marketing? This means, are you getting new leads every day to work on your business? Number two, are you getting any support on the paperwork, on the admin, on the trade record sheet? You need team support. But why being part of a team? Have you seen our previous video? 5 mistakes that I made as a new real estate agent. In real estate industry, 80 to 90% real estate agents fail in their first year. Why? Because lack of training, zero mentorship, they are part-time, not focused, zero leads, no system. Biggest challenge is they get their license and they park it with a low split brokerage. They are stepping into an industry where they are going to fail. That is the reason why only top 5% of the agent are doing most of the deals and rest of them are just heading towards failure. Let's discuss a story of an average agent. He or she sells 2 to 3 homes a year. Client negotiate commission with them. They give cash back. They are not respected. They are part-time. They have zero industry knowledge and they are only on the mercy of their brokerages. It's not real estate agents' fault. They are trapped in the traditional brokerages. But agents are missing the most important point. They are agents only for themselves. From the brokerage, they are getting zero leads, zero marketing, and if a brokerage have 2,000 agents, they are positioned to compete against each other. It's a culture of leg pulling rather than supporting each other. To be successful, you need combination of three things: marketing, another thing is a service, and the most important point is sales. You have leads coming in from your marketing system. You are providing better customer service to your clients and you have those clients available which are source of your revenue for you as a part of sales. This can happen only in a team model because as a solo agent you have a limited budget, limited tool stack to scale. You need to join hands rather than being a solo agent struggling and running after deals. You need to be part of a system, a business where you have all the high-tech tools available like lead generation system like KV Code, Sky Slope, you have social media presence, you have scalability on the marketing, you are trusted in your industry so that you can get more deals. To summarize, to build a wealth and the type of life you need, this is not the time to be a solo agent. It's a time to combine together and scale as one army and produce better results. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe and like because lot of more content is coming only for you.